How to use leaderboards and XP to track your rank. Curious how you rank among other learners on Sololearn? Let's check out how leaderboards and XP work inside the app. First, open the Sololearn app and tap on your profile icon. Right below your profile picture, you'll see your current XP, that's your experience points earned from completing lessons, quizzes, and challenges. Now tap the leaderboard tab from the bottom. This will show your rank globally among your followers or within your country. XP resets weekly for the leaderboard, so it's all about staying active to climb higher each week. You can even view friends' progress and compare XP to see who's learning the most. Code challenges and daily streaks are great ways to boost XP fast. What's your current rank on the leaderboard? Drop it in the comments below and let's see who's leading the charge. And that's how you can use leaderboards and XP to track your rank. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.